Hello, my name's Robert Adams, and what I'd like to do is just very quickly talk you through our new die that we've got. Very exciting new die, and show you some examples of what you can do with it as well. So here we go, this is the kit. It's the stepper card template and oval trellis die, and you also get a free shimming mat in this as well, because we're going to be cutting on an A4 machine, and you must have an A4 machine to work with this set that we've got here. And the biggest chunk of it's going to cut through the middle part of your machine, and it might need a little bit of help. Now, all of that's covered on the tutorial on the website, so if you want to see the specific instructions, have a look. For today, now what I want to do is just show you what you can do with this kit. What I'd like to do is just show you some samples that we've got here. And you can see you can decorate it to taste. It does look lovely, and I think what I like about this is, first of all, the stepper card is really easy to make with the template. A few lines. I'll just bring the template in to shot here. Just a couple of lines. It's very simple, fits onto your A4, and again, that's all covered in the instructions, but I don't want anyone to panic with the construction. Is so simple. What is nice with this is you can see you can decorate it to taste, and so I'm just going to very quickly run through some samples here and show you how different card makers have approached it in different ways. And again, you can have it fancy, you can have it simple. In its rawest form, as it were, simplest form, is this one that I've got here that I made earlier on, as it were, just to show, and that was part of the demo when we were doing the tutorial to show you how to make it. So that's it in all its glory, but it goes beyond that. But before I touch on that, I just want to show you a couple more samples, because I think it's quite important. Now, the die makes lovely oval stepper cards, but you can also make some fabulous A5 ones, as you can see here. So it will fit within your A5 card format. And again, you can decorate it to taste. But it's nice that you've got something that you can work a little bit more with as well. And then just showing you another sample here, how we can now make the die into a topper. Now, when it cuts out, you'll notice that you will have to actually physically cut it to release it. It doesn't totally release itself. If I just bring this one back in, you can see where it's attached top and bottom. And in order to cover that up, you can see here, it's just, we've got a butterfly and a bow, just to take your eye away from the physical cut. Although you could, sort of copy the scallopy part. But what it shows you here is how you can, again, take it to another level we've got there. Just a sample here to show you, show you another A5 one again. A couple more A5s just to show you how you can really bling this up. Again, makes for a lovely card. And, well, wouldn't be complete without something for Christmas, would it? So again, using it as an A5 format. If I can just show you this card here, we've got a really clever twister card designed by Jane, who didn't have the instructions, and this is something she came up with playing with it. I really like that. And again, it uses the template. You can use that as a guide to make it. And if I show you here, we can see the card now overlaid on top of the template. And basically she just put some score lines in. I'll do a little tutorial on that, just show you how you can make it using Jane's inspiration here as a guide with that template. Make it into a twister card as well, either to a single or a double twister card. Okay, so that, I hope, whets your appetite, but you can take it another stage further. So we can use our trellis ribbon and ribbon cutter to make for a really decorative card. And again, that's it in its basic format, and I've just got some samples here to show you how we can work with that. And again, just add little bits of detail to it. There's obviously a floral theme, and we are using our flowers here, flower dies. But you can see with the butterflies and everything, and then threading little bits of coloured paper through, gives you a really lovely card. And again, just another sort of serving suggestion here, how it can be built up to create something really a bit special with the butterflies and the bows. The nice thing is with this is that you can decorate it to taste. You can go to town with it, you can really bling it up, or you can keep it simple. And last but not least, here's just a sort of a mixture of the two. A Christmas card here with just the ribbon cutter doing the base part here, and these sides kept free there, and our Christmas message on there. So there we go. I hope that gives you an idea of some of the exciting things that you can do with this die. It's nice and simple to use. Just a couple of points to note: you will need an A4 cutting machine with it. It comes with full instructions. I've got a video tutorial showing you how to work with it. And because we're cutting in the sort of dead zone, as I call it, on many cutting machines, not all of them, on some, we've given you a shim pad in there as well. And again, the instructions show you how to use it, as does the video instructions. And I suggest you have a little watch of that. Anyway, for more information, if you want to have a look at the gallery and other cards that we've got, you can go to our website at allthewspapercrafts.co.uk. All the details can be found there. Anyway, enjoy your crafting, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.